the navigation step. Now the navigation step property of the gallery determines how far the gallery will scroll when the user clicks on the show navigating button. Now before the navigation step will work properly, the show navigation property should be set to true. So show navigation, currently it is set to true. Now when we set the show navigation to false, you see that there wouldn't be any button inside the gallery for us to scroll. So we set the show navigation button to true, and then that give us a little button here that we can use it to scroll to the next item. Now currently, as we can see for the movement, the button scrolls one item at a time. One item at a time. Now the navigation step is set to true or 1. So navigation step is now set to 0. Now when we change the navigation step to say 3, what this means is that when we click on the show navigation button, the item currently have about 7 or 8 items in the gallery. So when I click on the show navigation button, it moves 3 steps or 3 items because we have set the show navigation. We have set the navigation step to 3. So when I click on the show navigation button, you see that we move from 1, 2, 3 to 4, 5, 6. So we have moved 3 steps. When we move, then it also moves 3 steps backward. So that is the show navigation step. You can set it to 1, you can set it to 2, based on your preference. Now, it is important that we use the show navigation step in cases where, for example, you are in a supermarket and you are using the gallery control. Now, how fast do you want to scroll through the item that is listed in the gallery? You can also set the show navigation button to a label, or a text box. So whatever the user types inside the text box will determine how far the scrolling will be done. So for example, we have a text input box 1, and then let's connect the navigation step to whatever the user will type in the text input 1, so dot text. So in the navigation step, we have typed the text input 1 dot text. What it means is that whatever the user types in the text input 1 will determine how far the gallery will scroll. So when we put 2 inside the text box, then we expect the gallery to scroll 2 backwards, so that we are going to have like 5. And we move. Yes, so that is the show navigation button. When we move it to 3, then we expect the items to move 3 times. So that is it. So that is the show navigation button. I hope this video was useful. Thank you.